name, Eeyore is his friend. And Kanga and Little Roo. There's Rabbit and Piglet, and there's Owl, but most of all, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Tubby, little tubby, all stuffed with fluff. He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Willy-nilly, silly old bear. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Tubby, little tubby, all stuffed with fluff. He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Willy-nilly, silly old bear.
The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 in rushing, rising rivulets, till the river crept out of its bed, crept right into Piglet. Poor Piglet, he was frightened, with quite a rightful fright, and so in desperation a message he did write.
He placed it in a bottle, and it floated out of sight.
And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 so Piglet started bailing. He was unaware atop his chair while bailing he was sailing.
And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 and the flood rose up, up, upper.
Who too was caught, so he thought,
I must rescue my supper.
10 honey pots he rescued, enough to see him through. But as he stopped up his supper, the river stopped up Pooh. And the water twirled and tossed him in a honey pot.
The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down. The rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down.
I'm just a little black rain cloud hovering under the honey tree. I'm only a little black rain cloud, pay no attention to little me. Oh, everyone knows that a rain cloud never eats honey, no, not a nip. I'm just floating around, over the ground, wondering where I will drip. Oh, everyone knows that a rain cloud never eats honey, no, not a nip. I'm just floating around over the ground, wondering where I will drip. Up, down, up. When I up, down, touch the ground, it puts me in the mood. Up, down, touch the ground, in the mood for food. I am stout, round, and I have found, speaking poundage wise, I improve my appetite when I exercise. I am short, fat, and proud of that, and so with all my might, I up, down, and down to my appetite's delight. While I up, down, and touch the ground, I think of things to chew, like honey. With a hefty, happy appetite, I'm a hefty, happy Pooh.
With a hefty, happy appetite, he's a hefty, happy Pooh.
Come one, come two, come all. Everyone heed the call. There's a very important thing to do. Drop what you're doing and come. Bumpity, bumpity, bum. There's a very important thing to do. It's time to gather round. The work has just begun. And when it's done, then you'll have found that you have had some fun with a monumentous, consequentious, very important thing to do. Honey, 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 honey,
Everything is honey, everywhere I see. Everything is honey, and that's quite alright with me. I am a bear of little brain, I can't explain why everything will be changing to the favorite snack of Winnie the Pooh. Can you? Everything is honey, I can't get enough of lots and lots of pots and pots of sticky, licky stuff. Oh, what a sight, oh, what a dream, dive in the wonderful, honeyful stream. Swimming in the honey, swimming far and wide. Open up my mouth and let the honey flow inside. Ooey and gooey and very sweet, eat and eat, then repeat. Suddenly I'm in a honey boat, it doesn't matter where we float. Whoa! 'Cause everywhere is honey, there's a honey Pooh. He's just made of honey, so I guess I'll eat him too. If everything is honey, and I am what I eat, I must be made of honey. And life is very sweet.
Christopher's childhood days. A donkey named Eeyore is his friend, and Kanga and Little Roo, and Tigger too. There's Rabbit and Piglet, and there's Owl, but most of all Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, tubby little covey all stuffed with fluffies. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly silly old bear. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, tubby little covey all stuffed with fluffies. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly silly old bear.
Goodbye, farewell, be on your merry way. We are going to miss you every single day. So long, adieu, ta-ta and toodaloo. On my merry way, I'll always think of you. On land, or sand, or gravel, or where the roads we travel unravel. It's more fun with two. It's always me and you, and together we will stay.
dum dum.
Dum dee dum, dee dum dee dum dee dum, dum da da dum 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 da dum. Through warm or stormy weather, we'll always be together forever. For within my heart, if we should ever part, we'll be never far away from each other. We'll be never far away. Dum dum da dum, dee dum dee dum dee dum, dum dee dum dee dum.
Dee-dum, 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 dum dum. Dee-dum, 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 dum dum.